reported that the vehicle ran over her son's leg.
BMW behind the Jeep. BMW behind the Jeep. Right there. Right there.
Sir, you need to stop.
Great copy.
Stop.
You said it continued into Mason's Island?
Hey, I'm not with him right now.
Hey, I'm not with him right now. Alright. Put the car in park for me.
Alright. Just sit that right there. You got your license on you?
Station 10.
Can I get a hot loop response to Mason's Island Road in the area of Glen Hill Ave Causeway? It's going to be a car versus pedestrian. Pedestrian has a leg injury.
Stay right here.
Roger, Mason's Island Road in the area of Glen Hill for a car versus pedestrian leg injury. First exchange, cover all over that.
Roger.
Third ignition.
Roger.
Just an update. I got the vehicle stopped here. It's near the causeway, near the victim. It just has a minor abrasion to the knee. They said they're fine, but send the ambulance. I'll be out. Whoa. Oh my God. Hang on. He just tried to hit them again. Start the fire department.
Roger.
He just tried ramming them again. He's coming out. He's got front end damage. I'll be out with him at Glen Hill Road.
Roger, that was on Glen Hill Road.
26 copy. Leave out.
Sir, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up. Turn around. Put your hands up. Drop the phone. Sir? Drop the phone.
Hey, she's in the ambulance. There might have more injuries. We're detaining one right now.
Roger.
07's the house.
Roger, 307.
Hang on.